Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So GoPro has released a new firmware update for their GoPro Hero 12 Black that introduces some really nice features. Most of it concerns GoPro MAX Lens Mod 2.0 though, with few exceptions. So with the latest firmware update, version 2.0, you can finally name a custom preset. It may not sound like a lot, but this can really make it easier for you to customize your camera for different types of shooting. So by default, GoPro Hero 12 Black comes with only one preset, and when you create a new one, you can only choose a pre-designed name from a really small list of activities. But with the newest firmware update, version 2.0, you can finally name it exactly how you want it. Now, let me show you how you can name your own preset. So being able to create my own preset is really useful. I can finally create a preset for some cinematic slow motion shots, social media content, and I can quickly access it in a preset menu, so that's really great. The new firmware version also improves the new GP log color profile. As a result, the video is flatter, less saturated than before, but it retains more details and has a wider color space. And the rest of the new features refer to the GoPro MAX Lens Mod 2.0, which is currently only compatible with Hero 12 Black. So the biggest improvement is that they added linear field of view when you have MAX Lens Mod mounted on your camera. So when you want to record the city or your surroundings, there won't be any distortion on the edges. And I must admit that this feature is pretty useful because you don't have to take off the whole lens just to record a couple of scenes in linear field of view and then put it back on. So it makes your life so much easier. What's more, if I scroll down a little bit, you can notice that they added Hypersmooth Autoboost feature. Whenever the camera detects that it needs a little bit more stabilization, it's gonna automatically crop in on your video. However, it only does so when it's required. This way you have a wide field of view and a smooth, stable footage. And lastly, they added Max Hyperview, and this setting in here is currently the widest field of view that you can get on a GoPro camera. I believe it's even wider than what GoPro Max could see. So it's definitely gonna be a huge improvement for all sorts of POV shooting. And I cannot wait until I mount the camera to my body, mount it on my helmet with an extension. That can be interesting. Alright guys, so that's it for the December update. I hope that you found some value in my videos, in my work, and if you do, then don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe. This way you're gonna help me grow and reach more people. Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye!